Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Misty. I want to say thank you for taking time out of your day, evening, or night to watch this video. Today, I had my ablation this morning, and when I came home, I had my IPSY box that arrived. So I figured I would go ahead and do my unboxing of my IPSY. If you are unfamiliar with what IPSY is, it is a monthly subscription cosmetic and skincare box. I have IPSY Plus, so it's $25 a month. I get 5 full-size products. I get to choose one product each month that will be in my box. They value these boxes at $120 or greater. And then, of course, free shipping. Also, I will leave down below a referral link. If you would like to get IPSY, if you click on that link, it does give me some IPSY points that I can use to shop at the IPSY shop, but that's totally up to you. So this is my IPSY Plus box. You open these boxes and it's a discover yourself is what it says. Comes in that little foam padding, and then these are the products. This month I did do some add-ons, so I will save those till the end. I just want to get the little card out. Okay, so this month's theme is Clean Slate. So this gives me the information on each of the products that I received. This gotta go. All right, and then you do get a makeup bag each month with the IPSY Plus. So I like this one. It's a marbled effect and with some pink and some gray. I don't need any more makeup bags, but I like this one. Okay. First thing is I got the $1 Billion Brows set, and this is the bestsellers kit. In this one, I hope I got the right color. I don't see where there's a color listed. So it's going to be 4 items in this one. You get a nice brush. Then you get this Brow Duo pencil, concealer, and then a highlighter. Let's see what these ones look like. So here's that concealer. Oh, it matches really, really well to my skin tone. Let's go ahead and use that highlighter. Very nice. I like those colors. They're going to be really good for me. Next is this $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. No wonder it doesn't say a color. One end has that spoolie. And then this is the brow pencil. It might work. I just hope it's not too light. It should. I think that will look good. So I will give this a try real soon. And then it looks like you get a brow gel as well. And this appears to be clear. So I am really excited. That retails, that kit is a value of $42. Okay, next up, we have this Jules Smith Beauty. It's a Power Glass Duo. You get 2 of them. The colors are Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. And this brand is inspired by the power and purpose of gemstones. Our glosses provide harmony, attraction, confidence, and well-being. All right, and then here is Serene Queen. They don't really, well, maybe. Oh, that is pretty. And then here is the Namaste All Day. Oh, they're both beautiful colors. These are going to look so great in the spring and summer. I'm going to go ahead and just try the Serene Queen out. I hate sticky lip glosses, so hopefully. Not bad. And if I didn't mention that already, those retail for $32 for that set. And next I have these mask sets. These are from the company DUFT&DOFT. The description for this is, these easy to use sheet masks are infused with a skin brightening combo of niacinamide and ginseng. Taking skin from dull to dewy in less than 20 minutes. Perfect for that post-holiday self-care Sunday. All right, it looks like I got 2 packs of 3. I will do this, I'll use this in an upcoming Mask Monday. I am excited. You know I do love to do my masks. We have the Sugar brand Wingman waterproof micro liner, and it is 01. I'll be black. I have not used anything from Sugar before. This is the tip. It's more one of those felt, that's not bad, felt liner tips. I am excited to try this brand and this eyeliner, and it's a retail value of $11.99. They say that this formula is 100% waterproof, so once it's on, it's on. And then the last item I did get in my box is the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. This is a retail value of $27. I like this. Here is the color story for that. I'll go ahead and do some swatches for you. I'm going to do that first row. And I do not see any colors listed anywhere on this palette. So, okay, here's those first 3. Ooh, that color's, they're stunning. Okay, now we'll do the second row. And then the last 3. Okay, for these last 3. So here is that Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I will film a look or 2 with this. I want to see if this budges. It is not budging. Well, kind of smeared there. I'd have to say it's better than some other ones that I do have. And then with IPSY, they have add-ons that you can do. They have full-size products that are like $18 or $12 that you can choose from. And then you can get the deluxe samples for $3 and a couple of other items as well. So this month I did elect to get 3 different add-ons. I love trying brushes, so I went ahead and picked up 2 different ones. The first one is from Luxie, and I really do like Luxie brushes. And this is going to be their fan brush. Ooh. I'm excited to try this brush. And then I got, and this is one of those F.A.R.A.H brushes. So it's got this really neat fish net type deal on it. And this is going to be more of a blush or contour brush. And then I did go ahead and get the Ciate Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. This was $3. It's a smaller size. I wish I could just buy small size blushes for here on out, because it takes forever for me to get through a blush. This is the shade Pinch Me. So cute little. And here is the colors in that one. They have a couple of different other colors, and I might just pick some of those up for next time. But that is really pretty. So those were all the items that I received in my IPSY Plus bag this month. I will do the same as I'm going to do with the other subscription box I have. I will follow up within a couple of weeks, kind of let you know what I think of the products, if I like it or not. And I did calculate, and this month's box was worth $126.97. I am excited. I am going to be doing at least one look with that Huda Beauty, and then I really like Billion Dollar Brows. Not to mention, I've got 6 face masks that I get to utilize. So I am very impressed with this box. To me, this box is worth the $25. I feel that my box was worth the $25 that I spent. I'm also very fond of the add-ons I purchased. If you would like to subscribe to IPSY Plus, if you want to use my referral link, it's just right down there. Again, I get points to use towards the IPSY shop. Anyway, if you don't mind, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I have the best YouTube family, and I am not joking about that. I have people, you all just make my day. You make me very happy, and that I am so grateful for. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and please leave any questions, comments, concerns down below. Any looks that you'd like to see, any type of makeup releases coming out that you would like to see done. Just leave your suggestions down below, and I will see what I can do. Anyway, again, thank you guys for your time. I know that there are a million other things that you could be doing or even watching, and you chose to click on my video and watch this, and it's truly humbling to me, and I really appreciate it just so much. Anyway, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Much love.